Hi, and welcome to Burdell-Hunt Virtual Open House for school year 2021. We are so glad that you are here, and we are your team on the screen. So let me introduce you to our lineup. I am Miss Harris, Team Harris and Smart. Then we have Team Lane and Colbert, and our anchor team is Nash and Reholman, and we would love to introduce you to the wonderful information that you are about to see, and we welcome you, and we are going to have a wonderful and great year.
Hello parents, we want to remind you that we have replaced Class Dojo with Remind. This app can be downloaded from your phone in your store app, and it will be used for school-wide updates and classroom updates. This app can be downloaded from your phone. Please join your child's class by entering your child's teacher code, which is shown at the bottom screen on the left-hand side.
On this slide, you will see a slide of your child's class schedule that we will follow each day. Live instruction will start promptly at 8:20 each day. Under the subjects of reading and math, there will be online instruction as well as offline instruction. During offline instructions, students will engage in small group learning and activities. Students will also participate in specials, which are writing, music, PE, Spanish, and multimedia. Again, it is going to be very important that you got your students be actively engaged each day. Students will check in daily through Canvas. If you can't check in during the instruction live, check in as soon as you log on.
Just like in the classroom, we have expectations for our students. On the slide presented, you can see our behavior expectations for virtual classroom. We expect students to be on time, to dress appropriate. We're asking for no pajamas, appropriate shirt and pants. Students need to be at a table or desk. No one is expected to be in the bed, but somewhere where they can work safely. We're asked that all mics stay muted until told to turn on. Video cameras are to be on at all times. Raise your hand to speak. And no eating or drinking while in a live session. We have a video that we would like to show on how to log in to class links.
Hi parents, I'm going to show you all how to log into ClassLink. On your desktop, you'll see an icon that says ClassLink. After you click on that icon, you'll be prompted to the ClassLink login page. Now for your child's login, their username and password, is listed on the PowerPoint slide as in the format that they would need to use. That format is for the username, your first name dot last name, and then the year that they graduate, which will be 33 or 33. Their password will be first initial, which is capitalized, second last name, which is last initial, which is capitalized, and then also their lunch number with an exclamation mark. Now, for the example that I'm using, which is my information, it's going to be a lot different than your child's information.
On the bottom right corner, you can see an example of a student login. Like we said, it's first name dot last name, 33. Password is first initial, last initial, student's lunch number, and an exclamation point. Now we are opening up for any questions that you may have. If you could enter them into the chat box below, we will respond to them as we receive them. There's no question. Okay, well, we can turn the video. At this time, we don't have any questions, so that ends our presentation, and we can't wait to see you guys live on September the 8th at 8:20. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you bright and early Tuesday. Bye.